This is a quick demonstration of the entire workflow, the ordering system under Enotica. So we'll start with opening the first app, that is the restaurant app. This is the app that will be used by all of your customers. So your customers will get a list of all of the available restaurants. They can scroll through, and let's take this bake shop as an example. So we can go through the entire menu here. We have cakes, cookies, fast food. So let's say our customer wants to order a red velvet cake. They can tap on it and it should add it to the cart below. And then you just have to scroll down and you'll see all of the generic options here that you usually see on a order management app. You have the option to tip, add or change your contact info, and quantity plus payment methods. So all you have to do is place order and just give it a few seconds. And there we go. The order is placed. The customer would see sort of a status section here. And from there, they would be able to track their orders from this map section here live. Now let's go to the restaurant app. So once the order is placed, it'll come directly to the restaurant and they should be able to see it on the screen. It'll beep and just tap on it, and then they have to set the order, set the preparation time. That's all they have to do. There we go. You would see back on the restaurant app, the customer would also get a prompt that the order has been accepted. From there, back to the restaurant app, you can see that the restaurant has all of these details for any particular order, including order number, information about the customer, and everything else, including pricing. So once that's done, and once the order is prepared, they can click on accept and print. And then from here, the order will go to processing. You will also get a receipt here that you can print out to show or give your customers. Now from here, your order is under two statuses. You either have delivered or rechecked. So you have your preparation time, and the restaurant can comfortably start making the order here. Now let's move on to the Riders app. On the Riders app, there will also be a notification for the same order to pick it up. The rider can assign them the order, and then it'll pop up for themselves and it'll be here in progress. And from there, the customer or the rider can come in, and once the order is ready, they can click on pick to pick up the order, and that should also show on the restaurant app. Once that's done, they can just finally deliver it as such, call it mark as delivered, and that is it. Here, it'll also give the notification that the order is delivered. You can write a review, and yes, that is the entire workflow for all three apps under the Enotica solution.